Class 2, Lesson 4, Vowel sound E. Hello students! Let's learn some words with vowel sound E. Let's start with pattern add. B, add, bed. R, add, red. W, add, wed. L, add, led. T, add, ted. Now let's take the pattern egg. B, egg, bag. L, egg, leg. Next pattern is U. N, U, new. S, U, sew. D, U, dew. F, U, few. Now N. D, N, den. H, N, hen. P, N, pen. M, N, men. T, N, ten. Next pattern is at. J, at, jet. M, at, met. N, at, net. P, at, pet. W, at, wet. Next pattern is L. B, L, bell. F, L, fell. S, L, sell. T, L, tell. W, L, well. Sh, L, shell. Next pattern is eep. B, eep, beep. D, eep, deep. J, eep, jeep. W, eep, weep. Sl, eep, sleep. Read these words from your textbook.